Alright, we're going to take this 9 by 12 inch piece of paper and divide it in half. So first, figure out on your ruler, where is the 0 on your ruler. This ruler, the 0's here, and then there's a little bit extra. On this one, if I look, there's a 1/2 inch, and the 0's right on the edge. But sometimes the metal rulers also have that little extra space, so you have to look at the individual rulers. So if it was this one, the ruler would go on the edge. If it was this one, the ruler overhangs. And what I'd like you to do is put a dot at 6 1/4. So to find a quarter, you go 6, there's 7, break that in half right here, take that space, break that in half, it's right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 little lines away if we're looking at the 16ths. So I'm going to put a dot at 6 1/4. I could also put a dot at 5 3/4, making this double space. Slide your ruler down, do that again. 5 3/4, 6 1/4. So you see how the 6 is right in the middle of these two. Here and here. I'm going to slide my ruler down. Again, make sure that it's overhanging so the 0's on the edge. My 6 is here. I'm going to put a dot 1/4 inch to the left and 1/4 inch to the right. So now I have these 3 rows of dots. You can take a pencil and connect them really lightly. Try not to draw the lines heavy at all. And I'm going to take this 1/2 inch piece of tape and put it right between them. If I have any extra visible pencil, go ahead and erase that. And we're going to use this to make 2 different paintings. So we will work on 1/2 on the top, 1/2 on the bottom. So let's tape it to our board now. Okay, so I want to leave a little bit of a border there. You could just kind of eyeball it and make sure that your ruler's not crooked like this, nice and even. If you have a clear ruler handy, you could just take that line right here, put that on the edge of your paper, same thing on the other side. Or if I was eyeballing it, estimating it, I would want it to look the same. So that looks really skinny, that looks a little bit wider, this looks about the same. So now the border here and here should be consistent. That looks a little crooked to me. Let me fix it. There we go. And now I'm going to just use some blue painter's tape. And you want to make sure that it's kind of sealed right against the edge of the paper, so you want to do a little bit of burnishing, and burnishing is just kind of rubbing the surface of it and pressing it down a little bit. So now I have this space for two separate paintings, you can use these vertically like this, so the paintings were actually horizontal, or you can turn them this way and have two vertical paintings. It's up to you.